Hello and welcome. My name is Tanay Tiwari and today on CricBus we are celebrating Mahendra Singh Dhoni's birthday. Now you may have heard of MS Dhoni from experts, former cricketers, cricket pundits, but I come to you today here as a fan of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, as someone who spent more than half his lifetime watching and just admiring the genius of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And while Dhoni's records speak for himself, there are some things that he has taught us which even school failed to. दिमाग चलने लगा आपका भी. Let me help you out then. Here are 7 things that Dhoni taught us which our schools didn't. अरे मैम वो steps के marks तो दे दीजिए please. That's what I kept saying to all my teachers and all they would tell me is ये syllabus का part नहीं है. Sir और ma'am, syllabus का part तो helicopter shot भी नहीं था. When MS Dhoni burst onto the scene, his batting technique was talked about a lot. इसका elbow सही नहीं है, इसके drive में वो flourish नहीं है. And then he scores 148 at Visakhapatnam against arch rivals Pakistan. He blasts 183 in Jaipur against Sri Lanka and the naysayers, well, just had to look elsewhere. But there were also questions. अरे ये कोई wicket keeping technique है? अब सर technique का तो पता नहीं, but that technique served him well. MS Dhoni holds the record for the most dismissals by an Indian wicketkeeper, and he's the 3rd on the lists of all-time greats. And football fans, if you talk about Firmino's no-look goals, well, cricket has Mahi, who does not have to look to dislodge the bails. शर्मा जी का बेटा क्लास टॉपर और तिवारी जी का बेटा बैक बेंचर. School was always about marks. The more you get, the more successful you will be in life. The higher your rank, the better your chances are in life. It was a rat race. And yet for MS Dhoni, numbers didn't matter. Because if they did, he wouldn't have given up on the chance of becoming only the 11th Indian player to have played 100 tests. He walked away with 90 of them in the bag. No fanfare, no press conferences, no farewell game. Just a simple goodbye. Well, not even that. MS could also have raked in many more runs had he batted up the order in ODIs and T20Is, but he didn't do that because what he could do as a finisher, no one else could. And that is why he boasts of a colossal average of 102 plus in successful ODI run chases. Now that is one number you must always be after. Failure?
हाँ, अब तो अपने बेटे की पान की दुकान खुलवा दो.
Hashtag true story. Every time you failed a test or an exam in school, you were made to feel worse and worse about your own self. You were made to feel that there is just no end to this misery and you're always going to be stuck in this spiral. But MS Dhoni taught us that that is not true. Otherwise, how do you explain this? CSK are playing Rajasthan Royals in the first IPL's final. Rajasthan Royals go on to beat CSK in a thriller. 2 years later, MS Dhoni comes back with his side in yet another IPL final, this time against league table toppers and favourites, Mumbai Indians. What do? This time, the Yellow Army rules the roost and lifts the IPL trophy. This is also the guy who got out on a duck in his debut game, but then went on to pick all 3 ICC trophies. Now, I would say that is very cool for a failure, right? क्लास 10th के बाद साइंस या कॉमर्स, उसके बाद IIT JEE, मेडिकल या CA या लॉ. Then you go on to do an MBA or an MBBS and life is set. School taught us to follow a set pattern but not MS Dhoni. Virender Sehwag and Robin Uthappa bowled in a crucial bowl out in a World Cup. An untested Joginder Sharma was given the ball to bowl in the final over of the final of a World Cup. Dhoni gave the ball to R. Ashwin against a marauder of spin bowling, Chris Gayle, in an IPL final, the very first over. And then he walked into bat ahead of an in-form and later man of the tournament, Yuvraj Singh, in an all-important World Cup final. MS Dhoni has showed us that risks pay and that there is no one correct way to success. You just have to keep trying and keep trying. पूरे साल तो पढ़ाई करी नहीं, अभी ये लास्ट मोमेंट पढ़ के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. That's not necessarily true, is it? Nothing is a foregone conclusion, and MS Dhoni has taught us that by chasing down unrealistic targets in the last over innumerable number of times. 23 of the last over of Akshar Patel against Kings 11 Punjab. A single refused. The equation down to 12 runs needed of 2 balls. Dhoni says, no problem at all. 15 needed of the last over against Sri Lanka. 6-6-4. Dhoni seals it in style, but my favorite remains MS Dhoni smashing Irfan Pathan in Dharamsala to seal a playoffs berth for his side in the IPL. And then he does. Clearly, I'm not Dhoni. There is no substitute for hard work. Every teacher of mine has taught this to me, and that is so important. But उसके साथ थोड़ा smart work भी सिखा देते हैं जी, क्योंकि वो भी MS धोनी ने ही सिखाया है. Now you're wondering which innings am I talking about? And this one is a little different. In the group stage game of the Commonwealth Bank Series in 2008, India were playing Australia and were 10 odd runs shy of their target when MS Dhoni asked for a change in gloves. अब change in gloves तो सिर्फ एक बहाना था, टीम को एक मैसेज पहुंचाना था. MS Dhoni asked the guy who came in with the gloves to go and tell the team to not have any loud celebrations, because then Australia would feel like this win was a fluke for India. Then he turned around to a very young Rohit Sharma back then and said, shake hands with the Australians with a blank stare. Don't let them know that this is a big win for you. Just act as if this is another win in the kitting. Now this is Mahendra Singh Dhoni in only his 15th ODI as captain against the reigning world champions Australia. If you tell MS Dhoni that he's a legend even today, he won't agree. But we fans know that. तू है, तुझे पता नहीं है MS भाई, लेकिन तू है legend. जो स्ट्रीम चूज किया है ना, उसी में मन से लगन से काम करो. डोंट स्विच स्ट्रीम्स. कभी किसी आर्ट स्टूडेंट को देखा है केमिस्ट्री लैब जाते हुए? इफ MS Dhoni thought like that, would we have had such an impeccable wicket-keeper batsman? Well, India was struggling to find a wicket-keeper batsman at the start of the millennium. They tried as many as 9 options in the 6 years before MS Dhoni finally came into the team. But he didn't just come into the team as a wicket-keeper. He then became an integral part of the batting order, then became captain, then became finisher. Many roles, one MS Dhoni. And that is why it's very hard to negate this number. Of the 14 who've scored 10,000 plus runs, only MS Dhoni has batted predominantly below number 5. And yet, only 5 have reached that 10,000 runs milestone quicker than MS Dhoni. चलो दोस्तों, that's all the time we have. मेरे ट्यूशन का टाइम हो गया है actually. If cricket was my education, MS Dhoni was its principal.